Hello and welcome to Definitive Car Detailing. I'm Frank. Thank you for coming to check out our Graphene Shield paint protection treatment package. The final result of the Graphene Shield package is to produce a bright, reflective, mirror-like finish with strong water repellency and anti-static dust reduction ability. This package suits someone who is not so focused about swirl marks, but still wants the car to look amazing. In comparison to the self-healing gel, the Graphene Shield has more daily benefits for a car that is parked in a carport or outdoors open air without frequent bird poop issues. Choose the Graphene Shield if you want a high level of protection, easier to wash the car, keep the car cleaner for longer, and that bright, reflective mirror look finish. Thank you, and please let me know if I can help you further.